Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for coming to the second international conference on the pharmaceutical industry and the fight against doping.
アスリートをドーピングの被害から守り、クリーンでフェアなスポーツを世界中で実現していくために、製薬業界とアンチドーピング界が手を取り合い共同していくことはとても重要で有意義なことであると考えております。
It is WADA's hope that through this conference, the anti-doping and pharmaceutical communities can continue to develop new ways to cooperate effectively for the benefit of clean athletes, to help reduce the misuse of pharmaceutical products and to improve the health of our society as a whole.
Governments, WADA and UNESCO, in the framework of an inclusive global partnership, build on the win-win approach. We receive our support through a concrete follow-up mechanism.
WADA provides the pointy end of the sport issue with its focus on elite athletes. But when the curtain is drawn, what is revealed is a social problem of steroids in schools and among our security forces.
我々は産と官と学、国民、非常にある意味では対立するステークホルダーと力を合わせてやっていかなければなりません。お互いに義務と責任のある連携をしていかなければなりません。
The opportunity is that we have a common problem with young, at-risk and sporting population.
Today, Interpol continues to be the only international police organization in the world with the skill to combat this traffic, and I am proud of the active role it plays within the anti-doping community.
Cette conviction, nous la partageons. La présence dans cette salle de tant de décideurs d'univers différents le prouve.
And it became apparent when I saw that happening that a sustained effort is required in order to win this battle, and we need to actually continue to evolve the science over time.
ドーピングはスポーツのフェアプレーの精神を歪めるのみならず、使用者の健康を損なう恐れがあること、さらには犯罪にもつながる可能性があることから、私たちはドーピングのない社会を作るために協力し、貢献することが非常に強く求められています。
These relationships with pharmaceutical manufacturers, which are based around an exchange of information, must be also accompanied by sharing of knowledge and skills, as well as human and financial resources.
Through IMI, with strong participation of regulators, patient groups, and as I said, we had big and small companies involved, also outside the EU.
We are all responsible and all have a duty to protect the rights of the clean athlete and to protect society from the broader dangers of doping. We have heard such a wide-ranging list of risks, of challenges, of perspectives and opportunities. And there can be no better city in which to hold a conference like this, because we are well aware of the work that is being done here in Japan as you prepare to host the 2020 Olympic Games.
So, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. The objective of the session is to discuss about finding a practical way to step forward the anti-doping activity from reactive to proactive one.
I think it's essential that public authorities, through their legislative process, continue to evolve and continue to be proactive.
Et en face
de ces deux acteurs principaux, avec d'autres parties bien sûr que je n'aurais pas nommé de façon spécifique, qui contribuent quand même à la lutte contre le dopage.
And they all added more. The more we worked with people, the more got added to this package.
And I think the relationship between international organizations and the pharmaceutical industry, sort of, we need to make sure we have a recognition of what our respective parts are.
2020年にオリンピックがまた東京へやってくるということを一つのきっかけにしてでもですね、日本で問題がなくても世界では違うレベルの貢献をあるいは違うレベルの防止策をしなきゃいけないんだと。
We have heard why we need to fight doping. We all agree that we should.
And also links to the fact that some of you in the pharmaceutical industry here in Japan and in other places around the world.
現時点で、いろんな規制当局と患者さんを守るということで、ミスユース、アブユーズのオフラベルも含めて情報を収集するというのが企業の責務と。
We need a relay, a point of contact, a very motivated point of contact in the company.
I am a basic scientist and I show up every day because I want to help people.
I think that what we can provide to WADA and to Olivier's science team is a head start.
In this context, full support of FPMAJ and JPMA for the mutual benefit of Japanese pharmaceutical companies and anti-doping authorities will be essential for keeping fairness in sport.
Now to enhance that model even further is the challenge. Create more partnerships, share more knowledge, more information across borders around the globe.
I hope that Playthrough 2020 Sports for Tomorrow can bring all of us together in Tokyo and across Japan again. Thank you very much, all of you, for attending today. And merci beaucoup. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you very much.